Hey everybody, today we're going to go over another activity, another worksheet with classifying real numbers. And if you want to do this the way I'm doing it, I have the notes nearby, so I'm kind of referring to that just for memory's sake. And we're going to go ahead and identify which categories these all belong to. And we're going to use some symbols here just to make our lives easier. So for real, we're going to have just a capital R. For rational, we'll have RAT, so rat. Irrational will be IRR. Integer will be I. Whole will be W, and N will be N. Sorry, natural will be N. Okay, so that should make it easier. So negative 5, 6, these are all going to be real, just a spoiler alert. So it's a real and it's rational, and that's it. This is a real number. It's also rational. This is a real number. It's a natural number. It's a whole number. It's an integer, and it's rational. So it's a lot of them. 4 and an eighth, that's going to be real and rational. Okay. Square root of 5, that's real and it's irrational because it cannot be written as a fraction. Excuse me. Negative 80, that's real, it's an integer, and it's rational. 12 thirds, let's simplify that, it becomes 4. So that's going to be real, that's natural, it's whole, it's an integer, and it's rational. Square root of 100, that's actually just 10, so simplify that. So 10 is going to be the same as these, so real, natural, whole, integer, rational. Okay. Negative, and the root of 4. So square root of 4 is 2, so it's actually negative 2, that's what that is. So negative 2 is, you want to simplify those before you do anything, right? So that's going to be real, it's going to be an integer, and it's going to be rational. 3 and 24 hundredths, that's real and rational. And 3 times pi, that's actually real and irrational, because that cannot be written as a fraction. All right, is there anything on the back of this? Yes, there's something on the back of this. Okay, oh, hopefully I don't mess these up. I always make mistakes on these. All integers are rational numbers. Let's look at this. Are all integers rational? Yes, they're fully contained within rational, so yes, that's a subset of rational. All negative numbers are integers. Well, no, because you could have negative 1/3, right? And that's not integer, so false. 3 and this whole number is a rational number. Yes, it is rational, because this could be written as a fraction. So let's see, how many place values are there? Tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000. So this would be 87,655, 10,000, sorry, 100,000s. So yeah, you could write that as a fraction. So yes, true. A radical 7 is a real number. Yeah, it's a real number. It's just not a rational number. All fractions are integers? No. Some are, some are not. So like 3 over 3 would be an integer because they simplified, but otherwise there could be others like 1/3, which would not be an integer. And these are just working with fraction numbers. I guess we could do this. You don't have to do these, but let's do them anyway. So 2/3 minus 1/4. So this is how I always do this. So we want to have the same denominator, so 3 and 4 can both become 12. So I multiply this by 3, this by 4, and we're going to get 8 over 12 minus 3 over 12, and 8 minus 3 is 5, so 5 over 12, and you cannot simplify that. Okay, we're going to do it very similarly over here. So 1/4 plus 2/5, and this can become 20, this can become 20, so 5/20ths plus 8/20ths, and that's going to become 13/20ths, and that cannot be simplified. There you go. And that concludes this worksheet. So hopefully that was helpful. Let me know. Let me zoom out a little bit here. Let me know if you guys have any questions. All right, bye-bye.